Graybar knows a home is a lot more than just a roof over our heads. Our residential solutions can help transform homes into more sustainable, resilient, efficient, and personalized spaces, powering, well, life. Jobs, entertainment, appliances, information, all can depend on a home's electrical infrastructure. That's why powering homes with the right products is key. Square D's best-in-class products can also mean faster installations and troubleshooting at the tips of your fingers. And Graybar has the inventory and national scale to help you power homes across the country the right way, providing the parts you need exactly when and where you need them. Because what's more important than powering our homes? Connect with a residential specialist today to get started.